Alright guys, it's lunchtime and we've decided to try out the Buldak mac and cheese. This is a newer product. It's been out for a few months. There's two flavors, carbonara and sweet corn. We are going with the carbonara this time. And you know, in a few days or a week or so, we'll try the sweet corn. Just whenever we decided to try it. So, you can get these at Walmart. I don't think they're exclusive to Walmart. So you can look around other stores, but I know for sure that you can get them in Walmart. And they also come in like the little cups, like the microwavable macaroni cheese cups. Or you can get them in the box. I don't remember how much this was. I think it was like $1.30, $1.40. They weren't expensive. It's less than $2. So let's get into this. The Buldak spicy level is 3. This is made with real cheese and adjustable spicy level because it comes with the sauce packet and you don't have to use it all. We're gonna use it all, of course, but if you don't want it too spicy, you can adjust it, I guess. Cook for 8 to 9 minutes. I do have some boiling water over there, so we'll get that going here in a bit. Cooking instructions: you're just going to fill your pot with water, bring to a boil. When the water boils, add the macaroni, cook for 8 to 9 minutes, drain well, throw back into the pot, add the sauce and cheese powder. Oh, both cheese powder packets. There's 2 cheese powder packets in here, supposedly. Stir well and serve. It doesn't say about adding milk. You don't need milk or anything. No butter. You could always add that if you want to. Just a little bit, splash of it, whatever. But
doesn't it say add butter somewhere?
Nope.
Really?
It just says add water, boil, and drain, and throw it in the pot and add your sauce and cheese mix. There's no butter. There's no milk. There's no nothing.
That's
so
weird.
A little bit weird. Usually, you know.
Are there 2 different types of cheese? I saw the powder had like, mozzarella. Oh no, it's just 2 mozzarella cheese.
I'm not sure. We'll find out. I'm sure they're labeled when you open it. But 2.5 servings per container. A serving is 1 cup prepared. Calories is 260. Total fat is 4 grams. Saturated fat is 1.5 grams. Trans fat is 0 grams. Cholesterol is 5 milligrams. Sodium is 600 milligrams per cup. Total carbs is 49 grams. Fiber is 2 grams. Sugar is 8 grams. All sugars are added, and 8 grams of protein. Decent protein, though. Because that's just per cup, and there's 2.5 servings, so that's a decent amount of protein in here. Yeah, so that's about it. Let's go ahead and open the box up, and we'll see what we get in here. So, I think these are our cheese powders. Yes, and you get 2 of them. Not sure why they did 2 and not 1. It looks like it's the same thing.
Adjustable cheese.
So, I guess if you don't want it too cheesy, you could just add 1. You can save a pack for later for like making your own stuff or add it into some ramen or something maybe.
That would be weird to do.
I don't know. I like cheesy ramen. But I'm just gonna use both packets, obviously.
Well, I'm not saving it to add something later. Like, just use both packets of cheese, you know?
Well, you said if you wanted to adjust your cheese, but I don't really... I think you should just use both packets. They should have just done 1 big packet. I don't know why they didn't do that. It's weird. And then we have our spicy carbonara sauce.
Ooh, that looks good.
And like it said, you can adjust your spice. We're gonna use the whole packet. And then you just get your basic elbow noodles.
Yeah, that's too fancy.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get the noodles cooking, and we'll be back for the review. Alright guys, so I won't lie, I did put a tiny bit of butter in here. I just feel weird not putting butter in my mac and cheese. Plus there's 2 packets of powder, so I feel like it kind of needs it. I know we do have a packet of liquid that goes in there, so that's probably going to make it more liquidy, obviously, but I'm going to just go ahead and do a little sniff of this cheese. That smells pretty good.
Smell that. Ooh, that smells pretty good.
It's just like a normal cheese. It has a little bit of seasoning in there. I saw some like green flecks in it. I don't know what that is. It's probably part of the carbonara seasoning, whatever. But I'll go ahead and open up 1 packet, then get the other packet opened up, and get the sauce packet, and get this all mixed up.
I used to do 1 packet at a time, really.
I'm going to go ahead and give this a little stir, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our sauce. Well, I will say, this looks pretty cheesy.
Yeah, I was going to say, smells good too.
Usually not a big fan of like cheese packets and stuff. Like I don't buy Kraft mac and cheese often unless it's like the cheese sauce ones and stuff. Well, I guess those are like Velveeta. I don't know if They probably do have cheese sauce ones, but yeah.
Kraft does have
And
cheese
like
sauce ones,
I
I've had them.
said, we are gonna use the whole entire spicy sauce. So
How's that smell?
I'm not smelling that.
I can smell it.
If you want to smell the packet after I empty it, you're welcome to. But I am not smelling this. I feel like this is gonna burn my nostrils.
Probably. Well, I can smell it over here
All right,
actually already.
Buldak sauce is in. Just throw it away when you're done. I don't want it on the counter.
Sauce does smell good, but yeah, it smells strong.
And now we're getting a nice orangey brown tone with that sauce in there. Oh, this smells spicy and good.
Oh, it does, dude.
This should be very, very flavorful.
That's gonna be painful.
Looking
man.
really forward to trying this. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 plates and get Jay some, get me some. We're gonna set the table and we're gonna give you guys a little review, rate it, see how it tastes. Alright, see you in the table. Alright guys, and here's a little view of what the mac and cheese looks like. Honestly, it looks really good, looks very flavorful. That's his plate. Alright, let's go ahead and try this out. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dig in and see what this tastes like.
Ooh, it's sweeter than I thought it would be.
Yeah, that's got some spice to it. It is very sweet. I actually like it a lot.
Yeah, it's pretty spicy.
It has some really good flavor to it. It tastes just like the carbonara ramen noodles. So if you like the carbonara ramen noodles, honestly, you'll like this a lot. For cheese packets, honestly, these are really good. It almost tastes like a cheese sauce.
Yeah, I was trying to see if I could taste any of the cheese, but yeah, I definitely can.
Yeah, you can taste the cheese. You definitely get that
spicy shit.
Strong carbonara flavor, and you definitely do get a strong spice. It's Buldak, so it's to be expected.
Contrary to that chocolate video, I do like spicy stuff.
And obviously, the more you eat, the more it's gonna build up. That's how it is with Buldak noodles.
I like Buldak, but yeah, I can't eat it that much because it's fucking fucks on my stomach so much.
Yeah, I love Buldak as well, but I don't eat it very often because I feel like it does fuck with me. I like spice, and I'm pretty good with extreme spice, honestly, but I just can't do it all the time. But this is delicious. I like the sweetness of it. I like the spiciness of it. And it does have a good cheese flavor. And like I said, it almost tastes like a cheese packet. Like not the seasoning ones, the powder ones.
Yeah, it does taste like a sauce because they have this you add the sauce into it and then it tastes like that.
And I do recommend adding a little bit of butter. Alright guys, yeah. Recommend this for sure. Honestly, I think I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. I want to give it a 10 out of 10 because it's really good. It's very flavorful. But
I was going to give it a 9 myself.
I think I'm going to go with a 9. I definitely recommend it. If you like Buldak, you'll love this. Alright guys, share, like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.